Greetings! Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel!
Yay!
Alright, so today what we have here is an epic evolution Triceratops. Okay, it has that wheel in the back. You turn it, it goes goring action, and it has a switch on the back. The only Triceratops that has this, you pull it down and then pull it up. It has extra defense right there, spikes. Look how cool that is. This one has two variants. It has a white one and a mint green. So I took the mint green. It's pretty much the same. If you scan them, it's exactly the same dinosaur. Here's the DNA scan. The white version is still downstairs. I didn't get it. What's that? Okay, so the mail just got here. We're gonna go check it. Alright guys, so let's see. I believe today's the day. Let's go get it. Alright, so it's here. We'll unbox it. We're gonna unbox it, guys.
Yeah. Unbox it?
Yes, we will. Alright, it's here.
Here.
Unbox this beauty. I think you guys know what this is already.
It's like a Spinosaurus.
Sephiroth think it's a Spinosaurus, but
Maybe it's a Mosasaurus.
the Mosasaurus won't fit here.
Ah,
Oh, there you go. Jurassic World Rebirth.
T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex. I'm sure it's not.
Mosasaurus.
What? It's the EOTRICERATOPS, and we have supplement. Yep. So we have an EOTRICERATOPS.
Is this pink?
All right, guys. We're gonna unbox this EOTRICERATOPS. Check it out.
You got more? What's this?
Alright, let's check it out. Let's check the box first. So I've never heard of an EOTRICERATOPS before. It looks exactly like a Triceratops. It has a stomping attack. You twist the tail. Let's check it out. It's a gigantic trashers. That means no sound again. Let's unbox it. Alright, it's a big boy. So the crest is made of rubber. It's soft. You touch it, it's soft. Unlike the Triceratops, it's hard plastic. They're both gigantic trackers. Definitely no sound. There's a DNA scan. It's back to the feet. So the trick is, how does it work? You pull it up. There you go. Then you twist the tail. See, it moves. It's a stomping attack. Boom. And there's a goring attack there. Look at that. There you go. Pretty cool. Oh, there you go. If you move it up and down, it goes there. So that's cool. It goes up. It goes down. There you go. Then you twist it and move. So that's big. That's nice. Yep. So it has a narrow frill for some reason. The horns look good, nice. It's not dangerous. So I have two of these EOTRICERATOPS now. Now I'm gonna do a repaint on this guy because there's no variants yet. Alright guys, nice EOTRICERATOPS, a brand new species from Mattel. So we're gonna paint this. We're gonna find a custom paint. We're gonna go to Beast of the Mesozoic. We're gonna find a nice color there, paint job. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Give it a subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. You have a good weekend now. Happy Friday. Happy 3-day weekend actually. Memorial Day. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Have a good one, guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Bye.